Hey guys, Mark here from System 3 Off-Road with another exciting new product introduction for 2022 with the all-new SB-7 Beadlock wheel. Our designers and engineers here at System 3 Off-Road have over 35 years of experience in the off-road power sports wheel and tire market. So with that said, this is their nod to the classic Baja styling. This wheel features super heavy-duty construction and features a 12mm billet ring. The SB-7 features 20 5/16 grade 8 beadlock bolts, along with another 20 beadlock bolt holes for that added insurance just in case you cross-thread or strip a bolt. As with all our System 3 wheels, it comes with factory-installed valve stems and bolt-in center caps. To prove its strength, the SB-7 comes in a 1,200-pound load rating. We are proud to offer the SB-7 in sizes ranging from 14/7, 15/7, and a 15/10 for those sand applications. The SB-7 comes in a wide variety of offsets that include a 4.3, a 5.2, and a 6.1. The SB-7 comes in 3 new color options: brand new titanium, the classic machine, and the clean matte black. New for 2022, the SB-7 will be available in the new 5-lug bolt pattern for you Razor Pro R owners. Finally, the SB-7 is backed by our industry-leading lifetime structural warranty. Thanks again for your time, and remember, when choosing wheels and tires for your UTV needs, look to System 3 for that traction, strength, and style.